It seems a little... well, a lot, but to us this is everything. I see you've already met the gatherers. Very good. And you may call me Kembe. Now, to some of you this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of it is new junk. Let me explain. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, abandoned places, forgotten outposts, and battled ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here, to the workshop. So where a stormtrooper may see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. You've heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes?
Yes.
Very good. Well, now, we hear there is another, a new Jedi. Do you know her name?
Kylo Ren.
Yes, but what she is leading is the spark of hope that we have been searching for so long. And that's why you're here. To look ahead. Well, and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection on its builder with the force flowing between them. Today you will feel that connection. But enough talking. Let's begin. We begin with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the Force, magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. The blue crystal, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare, beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And red. The color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul. The Sarge Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past. And we're here for you. Our future. It's now time to select your Kyber crystal. Everyone, close your eyes. Close your eyes. In your mind, picture your crystal. What color do you see? What color calls to you? What color is yours? Now open your eyes and take your crystal, and remember the crystal may be choosing you. Very good. You've all selected your crystals. Now, if you would, please place them on the green crystal holder in front of you. Very good. We will now pair your crystal with the unique lightsaber design that you yourselves have chosen. We'll begin by building the hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control, and the part that stops your hand from being disintegrated. In these boxes are the unique components of the lightsaber design that you've chosen. Now, in the boxes you will find the chassis, activation plates, grip, pommel cap, and emitter. Building a lightsaber is a journey, Just as you selected your kyber crystal, so too you will now select the individual parts that make up your own unique saber.
Oh, no.
The gatherers are here to help should you require assistance. Well, are we ready?
Yes.
Very good. Let's build.
Rise and move, my friends. My name is Taylor. I'm going to be helping you build today. Are you ready?
Yes.
Perfect. Let's start with our chassis. We'll make sure that our lines are facing center, as this will be the top of our hilt and our second bar. So you want to pick up your kyber crystal. I find it the easiest. Take the thinnest part of your kyber crystal, place it in the bottom of the chamber. Now put it around your other hand around, and use your thumbs to help guide the crystal towards the top. This should line up in sync, and you should be able to spin it around.
I can't do it. I'm hopeless. I'm hopeless.
This is honestly the hardest part of It took me years.
Builders, when selecting your components, trust in the Force. The Force will guide you towards your lightsaber. Listen to your feelings. Your first choice may be the strongest.
The crystal, it doesn't work.
It's our crystal. I'm gonna go back to get
Why the crystal, it doesn't work?
Did you get a surprise for that?
Yeah, let the screen go.
I've already touched it.
Perfect. So you're gonna do that one more time. Now you're ready. Perfect. So now we're ready for our activation plate. We have 2 sets. We only need 1. On the inside, you'll see red and blue boxes. And match the red and blue boxes on your chassis. So align those boxes together, and they should
Anyone else? Okay. That one.
I want to gold and like make it so nicer. Wonderful. So to activate it, you just want to flip that switch up. Deactivate, it'll flip right back to off. I like the color. There's a flow of your black and gray and red going all throughout. And do you ever want to see your kyber crystal, when it's turned off, this little red thing right there, you can see it flash
Let's see what we have this side. Very nice. Every lightsaber.
Alright, my friends, you both have made wonderful builds. It was an absolute honor to help you today. Thank you.
Oldest pieces in the world.
Yeah, brilliant. Can I pick my bag up? Not far from it. We've got a big Yoda yet. So this is what the
Excellent work. I want to look down the end of it.
No, it's all the crystals we kept in there.
Yeah.
Oh, my one didn't work.
Excellent work, builders. Excellent work. Now, if you haven't, take your saber in your dominant hand, whether that be your left or your right. Start to feel how it sits there within your grasp. Start to feel how your hand connects with it. How it connects to you. Now, place it in the holder in front of you. And take a moment of quiet reflection with your new lightsaber. Very good. You've all completed your hilts and nothing unexpected or traumatic happened. Because why would it? Which brings us now to the most dangerous part of the process. I will ask you all to take a step back. Gatherers, you will now begin stabilizing your crystals for activation. This must be done with a great deal of care, skill, and timing. It's a single inverted laser, and we could have yet another hole in the roof of this workshop. And we won't be doing that again, will we, Taylor? No. Now, builders, as we move forward into the next stage, we'll ask the person what's happening.
Well done. Chosen according to the skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined, they are much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, on my signal, everyone will take a step forward, place their hand on their hilt, and together, on my command, you will activate for the first time.
I want to do it.
Are you ready? Yes. Let's step forward. Place your hand on your hilt and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you, and like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate and lower your lightsabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you with a saber sheath as you depart. Our time is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. It's now time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created. And who knows, perhaps next time, we may be telling your story. Till the spire.
Double A's. Thank you. I don't know. Still video.
Alright, buddy. No, I got the bag. Trust me. You did good.